153 things you must do. Now, I'm doing the countdown, and we're down to number 121. If you haven't done every single one I've already done from 153 down to 121, bye-bye. Not really. But these hats, I'm pulling all my hats out of storage because number 121 out of 153, doing the countdown, bird watching. Here, you want to look at some birds real quick? That was my old girlfriend, Danielle. She was trying to get up to this pelican. The pelican kept going. Ah! She didn't care. I took a couple of more of these. The other ones I just collected around. Naturalist John James Audubon was possibly the first to enjoy Key West bird watching, discovering 52 types of birds new to him during his one Key West visit. The 7 tiny islands of Dry Tortugas alone are a vital layover for migrating birds traveling between South America and the United States, making it a staple in the Great Florida Birding Trail. The Florida Keys are a haven for wildlife since they fall within the Florida Keys National Marine Sanctuary, a 2,800 square nautical mile area surrounding the Keys and reaching into the Atlantic Ocean, Florida Bay, and the Gulf of Mexico. This includes even the plentiful chickens and roosters running around town underfoot. Nobody owns them. They're wild. If you keep an eye out, you may also spot, write them down, doves, ruby-throated hummingbirds, red-winged blackbirds, great kingbirds, black-whiskered vireos, cormorants, laughing gulls, osprey, great egrets, brown pelicans. That's my favorite, because they're like pterodactyls. Great white herons, great blue herons, greenback herons, shiny cowbirds, white-crowned pigeons, Caribbean short-eared owls, brown-crested flycatchers, bells, vireos, red-legged honeycreepers, sooty terns, brown noddies, black noddies, magnificent frigate birds, masked bobbies, boobies. You say boobies in Key West, it can also mean birds. Where was I? Sharp-shinned and bright-winged hawks, merlins, peregrine falcons, American kestrels, belted kingfishers, gray catbirds, yellow-rumped and palm warblers, Savannah sparrows, yellow-bellied cuckoos, and white-eyed vireo. Also, the American eagle. Rare, but we do get them. And flamingos! Anywho, nearly 300 species of birds have been spotted here, so get started. So, just pictures again. Birds, birds, birds. I took that one. It's a woodpecker on a palm tree. There they are. So we're down to 121. If you bird watch, check off the little check thing right here. Tomorrow we'll get to the next one. 120. Eat from a tree. I'm not going to show you till tomorrow. All right, you owe me $50. 50,000. Put it in my checking. Bucky World Creations. My art, music, writing, and other fun things like this. Please like this Key West Today video and comment on it if you'd like, so that YouTube will let others watch it. Subscribe to my channel full of other fun playlists, and if interested in watching new ones, tap notifications. Thanks! Sincerely, Bucky from Kentucky, my dog Max, and my red-footed tortoise, Soupy Clitortis. Please support my channel at Patreon at Bucky World Creations for $1 a month. Love ya!